Hi guys, welcome back to SRE Customs. I just received a box in the mail from Edwin from Florida, the guy that I'm doing the two engines for and finishing up. And he built himself a hybrid, and he had all this 5T stuff that he wasn't using. And I was like, yeah, man, I will take it, you know. Oh my God, diffs. He sent me front end sway bars. I mean, the rear hubs. Look at the turnbuckles on there, man. I mean, this guy is incredible, man. Oh man, what a awesome deal. What an awesome guy. I mean, and I was like, dude, I'll knock off the money on your, on your engine builds. And he's like, nah, dude, I wasn't gonna use it ever. I was just gonna end up shit canning it. Well, oh my God, I'm so glad you didn't, bro. I can use this and I can build myself a car that I can't afford to build, all out, with on one shot because you guys know I'm a disabled vet, and that's my monthly income. That's what I live off of. So this is incredible, man. Thank you, Edwin, bro. I can't believe that you did this. Um, you guys are awesome. Everybody's awesome. So I love this fifth scale community. Chris, I've received your engine in the mail, brother. Um, we're gonna dig into that and see what we can figure out together. I don't know what happened after you said you had an issue there with the carb and stuff, but I'm gonna figure it out. Don't you worry. So I just wanted everybody to see this. When somebody does a solid, um, man, I think they need to get recognized for doing nice stuff. Um, I mean, look at that box of parts right there. I don't know. It's just awesome. So, thank you, Edwin. Again, I can't thank you enough. You made my day, brother. Um, like we just talked about in email, your engines are all set. I'm just gonna fire up the 45 again with the small carb and run it a little longer because it just doesn't like that big carb for whatever reason. And I'll show you guys. I started just messing around with the DBXL that Big John sent me. You can see what that says on it right there. Uh, so see where my mind is at as to what engine I'm going to pop in there. So I just like to thank everybody for being so cool. On my twin, I've got to put the Hiltronics on it, put a new on-off switch because like I had that runaway. I put Blackbone gears on, 2351s, because that was the gear I had on it the day that it ran away, and it seemed to pull them just fine. So I'm going to go with that, and we'll see what happens. Okay, fellas, this is just a thank you video and an update. Okay, guys, this is SRE. I'm out.